One of the things I hate whenever I go to look for places to get on video is signs that says no trespassing. Before I show you where I'm at, we pull in to this beautiful place. I'm going to show you in just a minute. And we're like, oh, there's no trespassing signs. Man, we might be able to walk right up there. Then I was like, oh, I see a sign on the ground. That little sign right there, which just came off that pole right there, says private property, no trespassing. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now, I hate that. That is a videographer's worst nightmare, is things like that. But let me get this video fast. I was hoping to do it on another camera as well. But guys, I'm at a place called the Tall Bridge. I'm going to go across it, slowly panning. And as I go back by, I might be able to zoom in on it. I brought my other camera to zoom, but guys, I may be on private property. And I don't want to get my ass in trouble. But that is the Tall Bridge. I've been wanting to come to this place for a week now. The actual name of the bridge is called a high bridge. That's the actual name of it. Let's turn around. That way the high bridge could be in my background. Oh God, isn't it beautiful? The bridge was built in 1901. And yes, I do have some dates down on the paper. It is 109 feet tall and spans 1,300 feet. This tall railroad bridge goes over Lothry Creek. It took them exactly 26 days to build that, guys. 26 days. Let's go out to the road where Angie and Kit is. Yes, we have our puppy, Kit, and I have my wonderful wife. That we may all be busted any moment now because we might be trespassing. I got my car here. I show you right there is the sign, and right here's my car. So guys, this is gonna be a short video, but look at it. I was gonna walk all the way down there, man, all the way down there and get the pillars, get everything, but no trespassing. What the hell gives? All right guys, we're gonna head out of here. That is the small part of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more to it. We're gonna head out of here. We may go to another place. We may go to the park. I don't know. But we are gonna head out of here and not push our luck. I do follow all rules. I do. And I would not advise anybody to go on any land that's private property where there's no trespassing. And just in case I'm doing it now, I'm done with this part of the video. We'll see you guys about an hour. We're headed out of here. It does burn me up. My God, it's so beautiful. One last look. All right, let's get out of here. All right guys, to add on to the video, we are at a cemetery here in Delaware, Indiana. It is roughly about, and the camera may be going all back and forth because Kit is with me and he's at a place he's never been, so he's wanting to pull a little bit. But it's something to add a little bit to the video that, yeah, I'm gonna probably do a little bit of griping. But let's show some cemetery. All right, my lovely wife is gonna take over Kit for a little bit. Thank you, Angie. Oh, okay. Kit, I'll be back to get you in a second, okay? Since Kit is still a puppy, it's really difficult to do any filming. It was even difficult with Stormy sometimes, but let me show you the cemetery. The cemetery is up on a hill, which I could walk up in here, but I don't know how far. My leg ain't fully healed, and doing hills, I don't know yet. But it's quite nice, isn't it? Oh my Lord. Oh, I'd give anything to go all the way. I don't know. I could probably get up there somewhat, right? Right? Quit crying, Mike. Just freaking do it. Trying to figure, oh, okay, that's a design on that tombstone. I thought it was a bell. But wow, isn't this nice? This is one of these cemeteries we did not know exists because we are out of our elements. We are truly nowhere near home at this moment. Now grant you, to the Tall Bridge was not hundreds of miles from my house, obviously, but it was enough only to get out there. And this has happened so many times in my videos, y'all. Only to get to a location, and I do research. I do research like you would not believe. I do more research you could possibly imagine. and I didn't see anything where it said no trespassing. I get it. I get it. You know, the ground that it's on, the bridge wasn't owned by personal residents, but I get it. The ground it's on, and if I owned some property, I probably would have no trespassing. I would. So I get it. What aggravates me is every decent place I find to do any video footage throughout my years, I only get stopped by a sign that says no trespassing. If only you had an idea how many times this has happened. Many times. Over yonder there is a newer cemetery, it looks like. And there is a sign right over yonder there, which is on the ground too. It says no trespassing, but we're not going over there. We're just seeing this one right here. Angie's probably up there getting some pictures and whatnot. And we're gonna walk right down this road here a little bit and look up that way. Usually a place I will go to visit, I usually do the research about a week before, you know, sometimes 3 days before. And this one's been about 4 or 5 days ago. And I made the plan. I bring my other camera so I could get some zoomed in shots. I was gonna go down to the pillars because I was gonna tell you about the pillars. When they put the pillars in, they made it with a special concrete of that time, which I believe is the concrete we use now. I was gonna go up and look at the pillars. I was gonna talk more about it. I was gonna walk all the way around in there. I was gonna stay on location long enough to hope a train will come through. I brought my other camera, my handheld that does zoom in, just in case another train did come through. And plus I could get some zoomed in shots. Did not realize, did not play in my little brain, no trespassing. Yeah. All right, that's enough complaining, y'all. It is, like I said, it is a videographer, a YouTuber's worst nightmare. No trespassing. Well, this is quite beautiful. On the other side of the graveyard, we have a creek, a tiny little creek. This is quite beautiful. Have to let Angie know about this unless she's already seen it. And not to make y'all dizzy, but we're going to do a full pan around. My wife is up there somewhere with Kit. I don't even see them. You guys see them? Oh, there they are. Right up yonder, there's where Angie's at. Way up there. Yeah. I could probably do the hill and be fine, but my leg's not fully healed, y'all. It isn't. And I could probably walk up it, but coming down is a different story. I want to come down there and my leg go and do what it did about a week ago, and me fall down the hill. That'd make great footage for YouTube, though. It would. It would. But guys, we do plan on getting many cemeteries and graveyards throughout the month of rest of the month of September and all of the month through October, along with other things. And maybe I could find some more right here in this spot. Feels about 20 to 25 degrees cooler than everywhere else around me. Okay, let me get back to what I was saying. But for the love of Halloween, maybe I could find, well, and to love the history I have, find some really cool locations, you know, instead of breaking out the camera and doing some vlogs here and there. I do have a video it's coming up, I want to do about Kit. I'm not going to say what. But anyway, let me see where Angie's at. She's up yonder there. It does bother me. Like I said, I don't blame the people that own the property. I don't blame them. But damn it to hell. Only if you knew how many places I go to be stopped by that sign. No trespassing. I promise you the other cemeteries and graveyards we visit in the future, near future, is coming up. I will be walking through them. This one's on a hill and I'm not taking a chance till my leg is fully healed. And it could take months for this thing to be fully healed from what I've been doing some reading. But right now I want to show you something we got for Kit. A new water thing for him that I think is kind of cool. And he's going to drink from it here in just a few moments. As you see, I brought my tripod. And I got my handheld in my camera bag. I even brought my other GoPro. I was ready for this. This is Kit's bag and our bag for our adventures. What I'm going to pull out now, whoops, that's his water that we was taking. I brought it just in case he drank all the water, because I plan on staying where we was at it for a while. But look at this. All you gotta do is hit this little button like this. If I can get it to work. There it is. I thought it'd fill up faster than that. Oh, wait a minute. Well, anyway, it fills this up and he could get a drink from it. All right. I was having trouble with it filling up.
You have to push the button.
I did.
You have to make sure it's unlocked.
Oh, so enough coming out?
Oh, yeah.
Well, Keith there. Oh, God, I called him Keith. Kit seems to like it. Kit, why do I call you all the names but your right name? There you go, honey. Oh, you think it's going to work in the future?
Oh, yeah.
Easier than the bulbs, right?
Oh, definitely. No, don't chew on that.
Okay, we're going to let Kit get a drink, see?
You're not
and
chewing
I'll
on
be
it.
back. Angie said she'd share her pictures with me. But guys, I apologize. I really had plans for this video. I had a week of planning what I was wanting to do. Only for me to get stopped dead in my tracks. So I apologize, you guys. Hopefully the next adventure we go on will not be that. Hopefully I won't be met by a no trespassing sign. Until next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here. Still a little butthurt over this. I get over it. Does that say no trespassing too?
There's no trespassing in cemetery.
No trespassing in the cemetery. It's got to be privately owned. Yeah. Look at this mailbox real quick. Born to ride, ride to live. That's cool. One more look at the cemetery, y'all. The cemetery that we are allowed in. What? What's he? Oh, what's he got? He got a stick. Just like Stormy loves his sticks. Okay, we're gonna take that out of your mouth, you know, right?
Come on, let's go. We can't take it in the vehicle.
Until next time, guys, leave comments, concerns, whatever. We'll catch you in a couple days. Come on, let's get out of here.